Well, how far you're going, buddy? Oh! Chain fell off. How's it doing on that side? Shit. See, hopefully you can make it to the top of the hill. He's gonna try to go down the canal. Okay, well, we got on the canal street. I'm just taking the chains off. If you're going backwards, forward. Alright, there you go. Alright. Alright. He's off to get the milk. It's a milk tanker. There he goes. Yep. Okay. What's he doing? This is where he was stuck. Right here. He said he would have never tried it if he would have known it wasn't plowed. But he got stuck right here. And pretty close to the pole. He was he knew what he was doing. Been doing it for years, so he knew he couldn't get up. And those chains, they made a big difference. They weren't even chained fast, like tightened. I gotta walk in the street. This is crazy walking up this hill in the snow. Alright, well, that's another day in the life on this hill. A lot of people try to get up here. It doesn't matter if you're front wheel drive, rear drive. I'm gonna get run over. Too many people can make it up the hill when it's not treated. Alright, well, that's pretty much the end of the video.